Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can lock your Google Wallet with Fingerprint. So the very first thing that you have to do is open your Google Wallet. From here, just have to click on your profile at the top right corner and then go ahead and tap on the wallet settings. So from here, just have to go and click on this payment profile. So once you do that, just go ahead and open it. It's up on you if you want to use Brave or Chrome. So it depends on you. And then from here, you will just be landed on this page right here. And what you're gonna do is you go ahead and click on the profile and tap on the payment methods. So once you do that, you have to make sure that you're in your account that you use on your Google Wallet. And then once you're here, you just have to scroll all the way. Slide and tap on the security. So from here, you just have to scroll down until you find the password. So in here, you just have to click on the two-step verification and also with the passkeys and security keys. So you click on the passkeys and security keys. And then from here, you just have to tap on create a passkey. So since you're going to be locking your Google Wallet with a fingerprint, you tap on the create a passkey, and then once you tap on this one, you will be asked for a lot of options, which is fingerprint, face, or screen lock to verify. So what you're gonna do is just choose the fingerprint and then just follow the on-screen instructions. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!